Hi, I'm Evelyn Robert with Medical Dynamics Associates. I'm a life care planner, legal nurse consultant, and Medicare set-aside consultant. You know, in nursing, we have been taught to write shorthand when we're in the clinical setting, and that's how we document. We don't document in full sentences and paragraphs. Taking the mastery courses with Pat Iyer is a wonderful opportunity to learn how to write in paragraph form where it's legible and it's professional and it's clear, concise, and tells a story. I highly recommend taking the mastery courses with Pat Iyer, the consummate professional and excellent teacher.